The next Google flagship phone is already generating a lot of discussion online. Even though the device is still months away, leaks and early reports are giving us a pretty good idea of what to expect from the upcoming Google Pixel 11. From release timing to hardware upgrades, here's everything that could be coming with Google's next smartphone. Let's start with the expected launch timeline. Google used to reveal its Pixel phones in October, but that strategy has changed in the past couple of years. The company now prefers a summer launch window. Because of that, the Pixel 11 is expected to be announced around August 2026 during Google's annual event in Mountain View. And the Pixel 11 likely won't arrive alone. Reports suggest Google may introduce an entire lineup that includes the Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and even a foldable model called Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Now let's talk about price. There are no confirmed leaks about the Pixel 11 price yet. However, if we look at the previous model, the Google Pixel 10 started at $799. That means the Pixel 11 could start around the same price. But there is also a chance that the price could increase slightly. Smartphone components are becoming more expensive, and many companies have already raised their prices recently. For example, Samsung increased prices on the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup, so Google might consider a similar strategy. Another factor that could affect the price is storage. Many modern smartphones now start with 256 GB instead of 128 GB, and if Google decides to do the same with the Pixel 11, the base price may go up a little. Still, Google traditionally offers strong deals. Trade-in programs through Google itself, along with discounts from carriers like Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile, could make the phone much more affordable for buyers upgrading from older devices. Now let's move to the camera system, which has always been a major highlight of Pixel phones. The Pixel 11 is expected to feature a 48-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x zoom. On the front, the selfie camera could be around 10.5 megapixels. On paper, those numbers might not look revolutionary, but the real magic with Pixel cameras usually comes from Google's software and AI. Google is expected to push AI even further with this phone. Advanced processing could improve photo quality, enhance videos, and possibly introduce new tools like improved cinematic blur and smarter editing features. There are also rumors that AI might even assist with video generation and enhancements, powered by the phone's new chipset. Speaking of hardware, the biggest upgrade could come from the processor. The Pixel 11 is rumored to run on the Tensor G6 chip, built using a 2-nanometer manufacturing process. This should make it both faster and more energy efficient than the previous generation. The chip could also include a new Titan M3 security chip, which protects sensitive data and handles encryption. Titan chips act like a security guard inside the phone, making sure payment information and private data stay protected. Another interesting change might be the modem. Instead of using Samsung's modem like previous Pixels, the Tensor G6 could use a MediaTek 5G modem. This modem reportedly supports dual-active 5G SIM connections and uses AI to improve efficiency and connectivity. When it comes to design, major changes are unlikely. Google has built a strong identity around the Pixel design, especially with the signature camera bar on the back. The Pixel 11 will likely keep this design language, along with flat sides and a glass and aluminum body. Instead of a full redesign, we may just see new colors and small refinements. The display is also expected to stay similar to the previous model. That means a 6.3-inch screen with strong brightness levels. The bezels might remain similar as well, although many users hope Google makes them slightly thinner. Battery performance is another area where the Pixel 11 could remain strong. The Pixel 10 already packed a 497 mAh battery, which delivered impressive endurance during everyday tasks like web browsing. The Pixel 11 will likely keep a battery close to 5000 mAh and continue supporting Qi2 magnetic wireless charging. Charging speeds may stay around 30-watt wired charging, which is similar to the current model. On the software side, the Pixel 11 will likely launch with Android 17 packed with new AI features. Tools similar to Magic Q, real-time voice translation during calls, and AI photography assistants are expected to evolve even further. Finally, the big question: should you wait for the Pixel 11? If you're using an older Pixel phone and planning an upgrade soon, waiting a few months could be a good idea. The Pixel 11 could bring stronger AI features, a new processor, and better efficiency. But if you already own the Pixel 10, the upgrade might not feel huge. Based on current leaks, the improvements appear to be incremental rather than dramatic. Still, with Google's focus on AI and software innovation, the Pixel 11 could turn out to be one of the most interesting smartphones of 2026.